Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's recipe I'll be showing you all how I make OJOJO. Did I pronounce it well? OJOJO. It's basically water yam or white yam that you grate and you fry. So I used to eat this as a child growing up, so it's been long. I tasted it. My mom used to make it a lot for us, so I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and you try it out as well. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Rolling the TV, and I'll see you all in my next video. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need for this recipe is a water yam. They also call it the white yam. Depending on where you stay, it might have a different name. So but it's called the white yam where I stay. So we're going to cut them and basically peel the back off, just the way you peel your normal yam or potatoes. Done taking out the skin off, we're going to grate the yam. I don't know if you can use blender for this. I'm sure you can. If you can use blender, please let us know in the description box, but if not, you can use your grater, but make sure you're very careful when you're using the grater because it's very sharp. You don't want to cut yourself. Make sure you're extra careful. So when I'm done grating the yam, I'm just going to mix everything up and add my chopped onion and some habanero pepper, some stock cube and a little bit of salt. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to mix everything all together, mix it very well. Then you're going to start frying. Basically you're using your canola oil or vegetable oils to fry them, and it's ready. It's very simple and straightforward. So if you've had this before, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. So enjoy this recipe. So when you're done frying the yam, make sure you allow it to cool down a little bit before you serve, because you don't want it to be too hot. It's not enjoyable that way. Let it cool down a bit before you start eating. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel once again. And if you've had this before or you plan on making it, make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I read every comment and I'll respond to you all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.